Last time we changed the oil, we didn't have that much in it. To see, you just twist this little knob to get to the air filter, and yeah.
Hour meter. Show them the hour meter.
I have 59.6 hours on it, and it comes with an hour meter. Yeah, it's a really nice bike. If you saw the last video, I cleared a double on it.
Let me see how much we had in it. I'm going to measure what came out.
We gotta see how much we had in it.
We're going to measure it here. We're going to measure how much came out, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do the CCs right here in the middle, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to pour that in there. How many does it look like? Is it 200?
Yeah.
So that's what it's supposed to hold, 200. So that looks right. So we're not using any.
Yeah.
Okay, good deal. So
now we gotta put it in the bike.
Yeah, we will. We'll get the clean, dirty out and the clean in, won't we, Lovey?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me get rid of this nasty towel here. Put a toolbox over there. Oh, the Mercedes. All right, so I got the bolt in. So now we gotta get rid of this dirty oil. We'll put it in this garbage can here. We'll let it suck up in that towel. Oh, all right. We'll clean this out a little bit. Clean that out. We're gonna put our fresh gear oil, 75 weight. I'll show it to you. I'll show you what we're going to use. We're going to use some Bell Ray, 75 weight gear saver right here. Right here. That's what we're going to use. Alright, so we're going to get 200 cc's of this, okay? So,
Okay.
watch when it gets there. Is this it? It should be 200, okay? We're going to put 200 cc's in there. Oh, looks like we're going to have to open a new one, doesn't it? How many's that?
Almost 100.
Alright, we're going to have to open a new bottle. Make sure we don't get the 85 weight, which is for the big bikes.
Mm-hmm.
The 75 weight, check that, make sure that's right. Looks like it is, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we got the 75. Now let me step over here so I can see a little better. Get that dirty one out of the way now. Right there's the 200 cc mark. What we're looking for. Uh-oh. You got your knife?
My knife?
Can you get it out without? Thank you. You can tell about it. Butt knife. Okay, get that open with the very famous butt knife. Everybody's heard of a butt knife, I'm sure. And we're going to put that up to 200, okay? That look about right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to get a little bit more. That way, if some stays in the bucket, you'll still get enough, okay?
Yeah.
Now, let me get my funnel.
You always need a funnel.
Always need a funnel, that's right. And then here's some of the other heavier weight for the big box. We make sure we don't get that. That's for a 250. All right, and then over here on this side, we have to take this loose right here. Right there. And we'll get our clean, and we'll put it right here. And you got to be very careful pouring it in. And we'll just pour it real easy down in the funnel. And put that clean gear oil right in there. Make that automatic clutch work like brand new. The thing's turned up all the way.
Mm-hmm.
So it's making a lot of heat when you're running it hard like you do.
Yeah.
You got to run it hard to clear those doubles, don't you?
Yes.
That's a really good one you cleared, dude. Was that yesterday?
Yeah.
Or day before?
The day before.
Yeah. That was very impressive. It's on the channel if anybody wants to watch it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's probably a 25 footer. Wouldn't you guess? Something like that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Tell me how you felt when you did that.
Good.
Yeah?
First time I was kind of shocked.
Yeah? Was it a little scary maybe? A little?
Yeah.
Yeah? But you did it, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's all about. You got to face your fears and get it done. Now we're done with that. Now let me make sure don't let me forget to put that cap back on, okay?
Okay.
There it is right there. There, get it. Now this goes back in my toolbox. We'll get me a shop rag out so I can clean up a little bit. Put our funnel in there and let it drain out. And we're ready to put the lid on. Clean it up a little bit. See anything needs cleaning, maybe right here.
Mm-hmm.
Clean that up a little bit. Clean that two-stroke.
I think my decals are really nice.
Your decals are super. Your dad did a good job on those decals, didn't he?
Yep.
Sure did. That's a fine looking race bike right there. And it looks even better when you're running it hard. Jumping doubles and getting great starts. Be good when the racing season starts back, won't it?
Yep.
Get this COVID year behind us and get back out and get to racing again. I know that all your subscribers, the ones that race, they're looking forward to getting back out there too, I'll bet.
Mhm.
We met a young man at the track day before yesterday. It was on a Cobra. He was telling me that he was really ready to get back to it. I don't remember his name. He was over at Knox MX compound on a Cobra. Nice kid. Sorry, I can't remember his name. Alright, that's the job. Looks like it's done. So, there you go.
I hope you liked that video. And so, yeah. Bye.